Welcome to today's Explainer. We're about to trace what I honestly think is one of the most fascinating, just mind-boggling transformations in modern history. We're talking about the incredible evolution of computing power. Today, we'll be looking at how these devices literally shrank in physical footprint while their everyday capabilities just exploded exponentially, completely altering our reality in the process. Okay, let's dive into this. 80 years ago. I want you to go ahead and transport yourselves way back into the past.
Imagine it's the 1940s. If someone walked up and confidently told you that one day an entire, fully functioning computer would fit perfectly right inside your pocket, you probably would have laughed right in their face. I mean, from that era's perspective, a pocket-sized computer was just pure, absolute science fiction. The sheer physical reality of computing back then made the very concept seem like a completely absurd joke to anyone listening.
Rooms to pockets. It's amazing to note how technology manages to achieve exactly what once felt completely impossible to humanity.
And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what we're talking about here. Back in the 1940s and 50s, computing relied on these colossal, wildly complex setups. Think vacuum tubes, thousands of dials, thick, heavy cabling that easily filled entire temperature-controlled rooms. We are talking about machines like the ENIAC that weighed upwards of 30 tons. Just try to picture that. Now, contrast that era with today. We've taken those massive mainframes and compressed infinitely more processing power into the sleek little smartphones we hold in our hands every single day. The physical juxtaposition here, going from a 30-ton room filler to a device weighing just a few ounces, is honestly staggering.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is seeing a clear, unbroken path of exponential integration, right? We went from those massive mechanical beasts to super powerful handheld devices in less than a century. We have steadily taken something monumental and just distilled it down into something incredibly compact, tracking right alongside principles you might know, like Moore's Law. But this trajectory doesn't just stop in the palms of our hands, which brings us to the most fascinating question of all. Where exactly is all this momentum taking us next?
Let's move to and see how this builds right into a screenless future.
Because if hardware keeps shrinking and integrating this seamlessly into our lives, the source material points to a really bold possibility. A future where we might not even need screens at all. Seriously, if an entire room of 1950s machinery can vanish into your palm today, imagine tomorrow. Will our digital lives be projected seamlessly right into our physical environments? Or maybe integrated directly into our vision through smart lenses or neural interfaces? The physical screens we rely on so heavily today might actually just be temporary stepping stones. It's a thrilling thought experiment, isn't it? I really hope this explainer leaves you eager to imagine exactly what technology will make possible next.